Hello everyone, my name is Skalany. I'm from Poland. Uh, I Today I try show you how you can use Rhinoceros 6 in drawing, and I use this software for 10 years, and I see not a lot of people use it for just simple drawing, simple 2D drawing, and uh, maybe this is good time for show you some nice things. And you can use it, of course, like the nice software for 3D modeling, but if you want something similar like AutoCAD or Clone, this is great solution. And the first thing what I should do, this is change the color of your background on your environment, and this is display and solid color, and we can change it for black. And now we have something similar to AutoCAD. And the nice things is full screen, and you can write it here and enter, and now you can have biggest scene, and I think we should change layers. Here you have layers in this place, and of course we should change it for white color. Now I have some okay. Now we have fourth layer, and you can change it by double clicking here. Now we have default. You can rename this layer. This is layer first, or maybe we can name walls. And you see here some nice place. This is color, material, line type, and for walls we can use continuous, print color, and print width. This is very important. We can change it for to 0.8. and yes, first thing, we have line, or we have some rectangular shape, and I need to change this line to this walls layer, and I can do this by right click and change object layer, and now we have walls. This is easy. Of course, settings is not correct now. We can change this settings in our options, tools options, and after that we can change this display things. I have my own solution for that, and probably it is something like that. Okay, this is here, but I don't know exactly. I don't remember. Object display, new layer should be white in this. Probably this is it. Feedback, I don't know, maybe this, never mind. Okay, great. Now we have blue color. This is correct. And this is grid line, and we can show his by different ways. This is grid snap, and you can right click here, but okay, right click here, and you have settings, and now you are inside the same place like before, and you can choose the second way, and here's the tools options and grid, and yes, and now we can active viewport only top, because we are working in 2D view, and this is settings very similar to AutoCAD, and major lines every 10, snapping spacing 1 meter. We don't need work in meters, and maybe first I change units, and I change it for centimeters, because that are my settings, and I back to grid, and I need it to 1 centimeter. Oh, this is something new, because previous I think that was centimeter, but okay, model units change from meters to centimeters, yes, and I back. Oh, okay, now I have centimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter, we need snapping, major every 30, or maybe 30, okay, nice. Yes, grid snapping, but if you don't need display it, you can turn off it, and this is probably in this place, but I don't remember for now, because I don't use, or maybe change it, display grid, okay, this place, and maybe show the grid. Never mind for now. Grid here, you can show it, and you can turn off it. Okay, now we have walls. Okay, and we should start if in 0, our center point, and okay, 0, and enter. This is very nice solution, and you can see here and below 47 centimeters. If I move it, I can I have some changes, and maybe we need 1000 centimeters. Okay, yes, this is not our start, and maybe 80 centimeters in this direction, and 1000 this direction, and okay, point. I click here, and now I can I should offset it because I want to draw some wall, and I can write it offset, okay, offset, and distance. We should change this, this setting for maybe 25, because this is our wall, and the same I should do with my thermoisolation, and maybe I should make it for 18. Okay, nice. And for this moment I should make next layers. This is thermoisolation. Yes, red color is correct. Change object layer. Okay. Yes, and maybe we need some opening line here, and offset our opening. This is maybe 100 centimeter. We should. Oh, this is cool stuff. This is gimbal. I can turn off it. Okay, and I can click here and move our rectangle to 50 centimeters. Yes, and now I have it correct, and I must cut some hole in our walls, and I can trim. This is this tool. Okay, select all and just do something like this, and this is not nice place, and I should split these curves by this line, and now I have walls and something like this. Probably I need some thermoisolation in this place. I must I must move it maybe for, I don't know, 8 centimeters, and the same minus 8 centimeters, and I change. I can. Okay, what is it? F10. F10. This is for control points. What? Okay. Okay. This is some bug, I think. Okay. This is something new in Rhino 6. If you click on the line, you have control points, and you can just move it. You don't need for that things gimbal, but okay. 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 Probably the reason is because I have black display in our our settings. Okay, we should connect join these two lines, and the name is join, and I join. Okay, select first, second, and now is joined. Okay, line here, join, everything. This is very important moment, because I select first and after that I select second line. I can move back. This is Control Z. Maybe I show you notice place. Notice. Okay, this is great. You can we can I can write here. Control Z. This is just for back, and okay, now join, and now first line and second line. Okay, and it is red color. Okay, nice. We have something like this. In this moment I should save it. Just save small, incremental save as. Maybe we should save as, and okay, and we can write it for drawing. Not good place for cool. Maybe we should make some interesting things like a display view. Print display. Okay, print display. Okay, now you have very nice view, very similar to AutoCAD view. I use it very often. Here's the thickness. This is nice because you can change the settings. This is something different than Rhino 5. Okay, maybe 7, maybe 80, or maybe 50. Okay, nice. Maybe we should have some doors. Yes, this is first. Rectangle, doors. Okay, change the layer. This is the line. I don't know, 90, something like this. And this. Okay, something like this. Not important for this video tutorial. I can scale this. Okay, scale. Okay. Okay. Maybe I should tell you a little bit about transformation, and this is the place for transformation. That was the scale. And you can of course use this way to find this tool, scale 2D, 3D and 1D. This is very interesting, 1D. Maybe I should show you. Okay, copy, okay. Copy is in the move, or no, this is not in this place. Copy, or hold on. This is interesting because I don't remember. Oh, this is the place where it's copy. Okay, copy. Select object to copy, enter, and I have the copy. Maybe we should group it. This is the grouping tool. Okay, this is group, and in this place you have properties, and you have object type and 4 curves grouped. Okay, and if you choose this open curve, to open curve, close curved, and something like 4 curves. Okay. Yes, this we have group, and maybe we should use this tools, and of course we have the same thing in this place, and I prefer using the line command line, because this is much more faster if you write it. If you have different language in your Rhino, because I from Poland, and the first time I used Polish translation, and after that was very difficult to change to English English language. And the nice thing, this is, I can write here, this is something like this. The nice thing, this is the first element, I don't remember the English name, before English name, and you can use it. Maybe you have a Polish version of the software, and you can write first and after scale, and this is the same, and the program is understand it very well. And maybe you have German version or something like this. Yes. Okay, we should use scale, select the object. Okay, wait, one more time. Scale, enter, select object to scale. This is our object, base point. Select object to scale, enter, base point. This point, this is the first point, and scale factor or first reference point. This is our reference point, and now second reference point. Or you can click here, or you can you can write some number, maybe 80. Okay, now we have a little bit smaller. This is nice. Okay, maybe second. Move and move. This is move. Okay. Wait. Move. Enter. Select object to move. Select object. Select. Press enter. Point to move from. Okay. The major things is you must read this command line. This is the first problem for people who are using CAD software like AutoCAD, like Rhino, like something like this. And yes, this is much more important thing to to remember, just read the command line, and I made everything very intuitive, and not, but the most important. Okay, maybe we can copy this line. Just copy, and this is transform, copy, enter, point to copy from this point to this point, and this is nice. And now we should use trim or split, but trim is much more better. Select this, and okay. This is very easy way to use this software. I do this thing before. I explained it before. Now I just can repeat it. This is join. No. Enter. This is this moment is not so important. Probably I should just connect it. Okay. We need to make some hatches, and the best way, this is hatch. You can write it in this place, and you can find it in drawing place, drawing hatch blank. Select curves. Okay, or maybe we can turn off this layer, and we should make the next layer hatch. Okay. Okay, nice. We need to have some, just this thing. I join it, and now we have polylines, and you can look it. This is close curve, polyline, close curve, and this moment I should make some hatch. I must change. Okay, I have this current layer, and I can make hatch. Select curves, select, and we have hatches, and this is nice solution for hatch. And pattern rotation at maybe 10, I don't remember exactly. Okay, and this is our hatch. Probably we should change the print width to something much more thinner, and maybe 0 point. This is correct. Okay, this is our building. Thermal isolation, and yes, and now the second way to make the hatch. Select all, boundary, pick in this place and in this place, and enter. This is second solution. We need this grid. We should change the scale, and maybe we have nice solution. Okay, F10, Gumball, move minus 50, 500. Okay, nice. Okay, this is our very simple drawing. Now we should print it, and this is the place for adding next layout, new layout page, and I need to print it to PDF. Page 1, this is our size, landscape, okay, maybe A4, I think this is correct. Portrait, millimeters, okay, never mind. Yes, and we have very similar to AutoCAD, and yes, we should change the scale. We need 100 scale. Okay. Okay, maybe no. This is interesting. Okay, I know. We have different hatch scale, and this is the place when we can change it, but this is something new. Okay, I see we have a lot of new things in Rhino 6, and this is interesting. Maybe I should do some different video tutorial about this. Okay, this is so complicated for now.